What's up everybody, so you clicked on this video because you want to know how to farm Argon Crystals in Warframe. Well, this video is going to show you exactly how to do it. So as always, purchasing a resource booster from the shop will give you double whatever resource you're farming, so you can go ahead and purchase a resource booster for 40 platinum if you want to go ahead and double the amount of Argon Crystals that you get. It's not necessary, but you guys can go ahead and do it if you want. So the mission you're actually going to want to do is this test hub exterminate mission in the void, but before you actually do this mission, I recommend putting it on public because there are tons of squads that are trying to find Argon Crystals, so just join up with the squad and I'll show you what to do from there. So before we can get into where to look, you guys need to know what to be looking for. So this is Argon Crystal, basically this purple crystal-y thing is what you're going to want to be looking for. So let's get into some of the places where I have had the best luck finding Argon Crystal. So in this long loot room, you can find Argon Crystals sometimes. Also, if you go down in the well right here, you also have a chance of finding Argon Crystals. In this long loot room, you can find Argon Crystals. Make sure to check behind that little thing where the tree was. But where I have found the most luck finding Argon Crystals is in this room. Basically in this spot right here where those 3 crates are, or where I'm spinning around right here, or where that crate is. Anywhere just around in this room is where I have had the most luck finding Argon Crystal, as you can see. Now don't get me wrong, these 4 examples are not the only places Argon Crystal can spawn. These are just where I have found the most luck finding Argon Crystal, so you're still going to want to get out there and you're still going to want to search absolutely every single nook and cranny, but for some of the hot spots, those are what I found to be the best. But anyways guys, it's as simple as that. Get out there, connect with some people, run up a squad, and just try and find some Argon Crystal, because there's plenty of people grinding for this stuff. So yeah, anyways guys, that was my little farming guide on how to farm Argon Crystals. If you guys like my videos and you like me, make sure to subscribe because it really helps me out, and make sure to leave a like, yada yada yada, all that YouTube stuff, hit the bell and whatnot. And yeah, if you have any questions, leave them down below. But anyways guys, it's been YungROACH, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.